How to change your gender on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your gender on Roblox. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on account info. And now here, once you are inside the account info, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the gender option. So from here, you can simply change your gender by simply tapping on the next gender icon there available. And here, once you do that, you'll be converted to that particular gender. And that's it. That's how you can change gender in Roblox. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.